How to add duration in Smartsheet. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add the column of duration in Smartsheet. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Smartsheet and here just open the sheet where you wish to add the duration. Here you can see that this table already has a start date and an end date. However, if your table doesn't have them, you can just add them by clicking and setting a name and then making the column type be a date one. And after you add the start date and the end date columns, you can just go back to the primary column, just click on it. And when you click on that, you'll have to enable the dependency so that you can add duration. So you can just click on these three dots and then click on this edit project settings, and here you can see that there is an option that says dependencies enabled, so just click on it. And then duration and predecessors columns have been added to the sheet, just click on OK. And here you can just modify these changes according to if you wish to change anything, for example the start date, end date column, or complete column, or anything you wish to like, and then click on OK. And now when you scroll all the way to the right, you'll be able to see a duration has been set in your sheet. So here in the last row, you can see that the duration is 1 day. That means the start date is 29 and the end date is also 29. So if you wish to change the end date, for example, if we're going to make it something like 31, so when you just press enter, you'll be able to see the duration has been changed to 3 days. So that's pretty much it for the video. That was how you can add duration in Smartsheet. If you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.